Hi everyone, today we're going to translate a YouTube video quickly and easily in a few steps. I'll show you right now. First step, find your video. So we'll use this one, I am Tarzan. There's noise, there's music, there are effects. So you're going to see that it still does keep all of that even after the translation. I'm going to go ahead and show you the real power here. So first step, we copy the link to the video. Second step, we head over to VoiceCheap.ai and I'll also put the link down in the description. Then you click right here on try for free. Then you paste the link to your YouTube video, or alternatively, you can upload a file directly right here. If you're a YouTuber like me and you're looking to put your videos online in, let's say a big format with the maximum possible quality, a big 4K video, Premiere Pro export, 100 megabits per second, double pass, you know that setup, right? Well, you can do it here, up to 20 gigabytes. After that, look, if you really need more, we can maybe change that. So if you're interested, contact us on Discord or in the chat. The chat that's right here on everywhere on the site. You click, you send a message, we're right here, ready to help. So hop, let's hit continue, and we are going to right away pick the language. Not French, because it's already in French. We'll set it to English, but don't worry, I'll add more languages later. That way you can, if you speak another language than French or English, you'll be able to judge the translation quality. So let's not waste time. Click create a new project. And while that's loading, I'll show you a couple of things in VoiceCheap that might be useful. So on VoiceCheap, I'm going to show you in project history. Okay, here, this is a video I just translated for another tutorial, another demonstration. So you see there, you've got your text. You can absolutely add languages right here. So click add new languages, then confirm it now. You also have the option in the little bar right here to use the voice library. I'll let you hear. These voices are a bit lower quality than cloning, a bit more robotic, slightly, but 5 times cheaper. So if you want to translate entire YouTube channels, you can use the voice library. It can be really very interesting. Many voices, that one's good too. All right, you can also make a custom voice. So a really personalized custom voice. Say you record in a studio with a great mic like this one, an audio interface that costs I don't know how much, and you've got a nice voice. You warmed up a little bit, you've got a really great voice today, you've got good solid energy in your voice, you're energized, you're spot on. You record a nice clean take for a few minutes, between 30 seconds and a few minutes max. That's more than enough, honestly. You drop it into custom voice. So right here, you create the custom voice, you add a few audio tracks, MP3, MP4, MP3, you've got Wave, MP2, and so on. And then you get a super high quality voice that's cloned. And for all your upcoming videos that you are going to make, you can absolutely use this custom voice to get a really super nice voice, no matter what your own voice is. In the original video, the translated voice is going to be super, super high quality and hyper pretty, really lovely. So I'm going back to the project. So here you can either keep or not keep the background, so the music, the effects, and here when he's tapping on his belly, I'll show you in a second. You can turn the subtitles on or off. So like I said, you've got voice library, custom voice. So we're going to stick with voice cloning. It's the basic feature that really does the job perfectly. Then you click right away on start dubbing in English. So I didn't reread it because for the tutorial, we're not going to waste time rereading. Okay, it's running. It's already working. You see, it's super fast. And in a few seconds, we'll have the result. But while we wait, since we're a little bit perfectionist here, well, we can slowly proofread in the meantime, and then we're going to do another translation. We'll go with Arabic, for example. So you hit play, and we'll go ahead now.
Seeing Tybo in shape, and I'm gonna make him think I turned back into a fat slob. Is that realistic? Seriously?
Even Bulk Daddy, he actually managed to transcribe it. Honestly, it works really well.
Oui.
Alright, a tiny mistake. It's not poisson, it's actually croissant, okay? There was a little bit of background noise in the video, so yeah, just so you know. Then interestingly, you can click here on retranslate. That is simply going to retranslate this block, nothing else. Or alternatively, you can click here on translate all pending transcripts in English. Meaning, if you make tons of edits in a huge 1 hour video and you tweak everything on the left, little words here, little words there, you just click right here, bam, you wait, done in a single click. Then I'll add a language. So there it's translated, I'll click add a new language or make Arabic the main one. We wait a little bit, just a few seconds for the translation to go through. And it's not some cheap translation, it's one that factors in the context before, during, after, to get the highest quality translation possible. It takes the context into account and that changes absolutely everything. Let's launch it. Alright, tell me in the comments if you want me to translate a video into a very specific language. Now look at all the languages we've got. Alright, we'll put it in. Which language should we use? Japanese, and done. Don't hesitate to drop a quick comment if you want me to translate a certain video into a certain language. Even if it's comedic, totally fine. We can test anything, even a song. Well, we already tried with singers, it doesn't really work. Not really, no. It depends, so it's not made for that, but yeah, that's fine. So we're translating into Japanese, hop, boom. And now you can see it spinning. So in English, it is already ready. In Arabic, it is currently enhancing the audio tracks. And in Japanese, it is still creating the artificial voices. So you see it goes fast. Yeah, it goes pretty fast. You ready for the results? Let's go then. English results. Tell me what you think in the comments. This is live right now. I hope the result is really high quality. So here, you can clearly hear we've kept the background. When he slaps his belly, you can still hear the thump even though it's not the same audio anymore. Careful now, we actually swapped the audio track since it's speaking English now, so we removed the original track entirely. We add a new audio track with the right language, the right voice, voy, but we still keep the background, so the moment when he taps his belly, the music, the sound effects. And that is just excellent for anyone making well-edited, high-quality videos with lots of sound effects and noises to keep in the final cut. Okay, now we're going to watch the video in Arabic. I don't speak Arabic, so I can't really judge the quality of the translation. I can just judge the sound, let's say. I think it looks good. It sounds good. It almost feels like the original video. Tell me if you are a native Arabic speaker what you think in the comments. But it's still really impressive, even if I'm starting to get used to it, doing it day in, day out, honestly. See? You can clearly hear the bakery's background noise. It's kept by default, but you can also remove it if needed. If you've got negative background noise, you make sure to tick it off, basically. Basically, you uncheck the little bar here and there, boom, then you check, and you uncheck yes, no, and you do or you do not keep the background noise. So that's roughly what it looks like. I'm not going to show you everything. There are a lot of demos on the YouTube channel if you want to see more later. Let's not waste any more time now. Anyway, sign up is completely free. The link is right there in the description. You get a full 3 minutes free at sign up to try the tool out. Grab your phone and film yourself like this, straight on. Then tell a quick 1-minute story, just a little anecdote. For example, you send it to VoiceCheap and then you translate it into absolutely any language you like. And you'll see yourself speak another language. It'll be magic. So go ahead and make yourself an account. It's completely free. The link is right there in the description. And if later on you really do like it and you want to translate entire YouTube channels or maybe launch a full-on video translation agency or, I don't know, translate conferences you cannot even access because there's a language barrier and so on, etc. Now it's over thanks to VoiceCheap. So go make up your own mind. Try it on a video of yourself. You'll see. That's when it gets shocking. You're like, oh wow, I speak every language, when actually not at all. The link's in the description, and if you've got questions, drop them in the comments. And I'll see you very, very soon. This was Raptor speaking for VoiceCheap. Bye-bye now.